Yo, what's up, y'all? Happy 4th. You know, we out here playing basketball again. You know, starting to make a little more. Starting to make more shorts. I'm gonna kind of like balance it between shorts and the actual videos with either basketball or whatever I'm doing, really. As long as it's just like interesting for y'all. Also, just like let me know what y'all want to see. Like I could do basketball, maybe not right now, but later on I could probably do some gaming content too, which I actually planned on doing anyway. Yeah, y'all let me know. Okay, I can show y'all a few more tutorials. I can make a few more tutorials. You let me know what you want to see or want to learn from me. And I'll try my best to teach you. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, my bad. That was a terrible performance right there. Let me show you another one. Oh God. Shoot, y'all. I'm in the paint shooter. Never mind. I'm in the paint shooter. Yeah. I'm not sure y'all can hear it, but there's fireworks going on right now. It's almost broad daylight. Hey, y'all see that over there? That is a storm on its way. Oh, hold up. Oh, I was gonna show y'all, but my neighbors over there, they're popping fireworks. Anyway, I don't know if we're gonna pop fireworks over here today or tomorrow, or maybe next year. I don't know. Shout out to y'all, to you brokies like me, bro. We all broke. I can't afford fireworks. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Ready? Whoa. Oh. Wow. I know there's probably gonna be like 15 people watching this. Barely. Oh God. Oh. Look at that. Jesus. Let's probably wrap this video up. New York City. I wanted to make a Happy New Year's video. You know, it's not much, but you know, it's something. And also, thank y'all so much for the likes and the subscribers y'all been giving me. We already almost at 20 subs, and that's crazy. Just the other day, like not even a week ago, I was at like 6. I was at like 5. Now I'm almost at 20. It might not sound like a big deal, but when you hit that 20 mark, it's like, it's crazy. Woo. Oh. That storm is really gonna bug me. Hold up. I'm kind of on a time limit. As you can see, the sky is getting darker, meaning it's gonna rain. Actually, it's gonna storm real soon. I don't know what that was. I'm sorry. I don't know what that was. Hold up. Oh my God. That was all movement, no ball handling. low key. You pull up to like something like the Y or something. You go for a draw. Also, no, that's not a travel. Actually, what I did might have been in trouble, but also if you go like this, like you land on 2 feet. Michael Jordan did this like most of his career. These big steps. Oh my God. Yeah. All right. Ugh. Well, hope y'all enjoyed. Hold up. Let me give y'all a quick freestyle real quick. Hold up. I'm gonna do this with my eyes closed. Ready? Oh, 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 oh. Oh my God. Give y'all a quick shot real quick. Hit it. Alright. Shout out to the ones that watch this, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.